Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the Shabbar Digital Creations. In this video, I will show you how I made a colorful pattern using Adobe Illustrator. It is a bright and fun design with shapes and lines. If you like to learn design or just enjoy creative work, this video is for you. Let's start. First, I draw a simple rectangle, then select the color, fill and stroke. I went to the object menu and clicked on split into grid. This helped me create many small boxes inside the rectangle. After that, I went to the effect menu and choose the bloat option. I set the value to -88 to create a squeezed and curved look. Then I added another effect, zigzag, to make the edge look more wavy and interesting. I hope you liked this pattern and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and tell me your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.